Hey, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this beautiful ladybugs. It's a perfect craft for kids that you can use for decorating the kids' room. It's just a lovely project to embark on with the whole family. So let's just start with what we'll actually need for this little craft. We'll need A5 thick red paper sheet, toilet paper roll, pair of black socks, hot glue gun, of course, wiggly eyes, black marker, and a compass with a laundry clip and scissors. So I'm going to start by getting two socks and just forming a little ball with one of the socks. Yes, and then we're going to put this little ball into the other sock. The other sock is going to form the main body of the ladybug. The little ball will be the head of it, and we're going to use the toilet paper roll to create the body of it. As you can see, the sock is a little bigger than the ladybug's body, so you want to just stack in all that sock into the toilet roll. We don't want to measure around the half of the toilet roll, it can be less. With our compass, we want to create a little circle, draw it, and then just use a marker to draw around it. If you're that good, you can draw the circle all by yourself, but obviously not here. We're not that talented here. We then want to divide the circle into two, just like that. And we want to create our little spots that ladybugs usually have. The next thing we want to draw is the two antennas that ladybugs have. Also, I forgot to mention, you should be using a thick red paper. In case your paper is a little too thin, you can just glue it to a cardboard and it will do the job. I'm going to cut out the wings and antennas separately because we're going to glue them on separately. You're going to want to secure each part of the ladybug with just a little bit of hot glue. It doesn't need to be too much, just a little dot here and there, and that will be enough to make that happen. You can make a few of these ladybugs and use them for decorative purposes. For this final step, this is optional, we're going to use a laundry clip and just glue it to the ladybug. That means that you can attach it to different areas of your home, even to your plants to make them look extra cute. So that's why. If you like this craft, please subscribe and like this video. For more crafts every week, just come to our channel and you can find our full tutorials on craftsyyhacks.com. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and take care. Bye bye.